Hello everybody, it's me, Beau, as you can see there, and we're going to take a close look at this Regalo baby gate. As you can see, it's kind of at the top of these stairs. Now this one is compared in contrast with another baby gate at the end of this review. This one opens and closes slightly differently. You can see that you have to lift it there and then also there. So it's kind of a two-way locking system, and unless your kid is really savvy, odds are they're not going to be able to figure this out. If you have a little dog, they're never going to be able to figure this out. But you can see it swings open and close like that. You can also see that it doesn't require any kind of drilling into the wall. This one down there was sort of in position, but you know, it's still staying in spot. And then over there, as you can see, it snuggles right up against that drywall, and it's nice and sturdy, perfect for the steps. Okay, so we're gonna go this way. We're gonna swing it around. You can actually see the other baby gate in the back. We're gonna get to that in just a moment. And so you can see that this right there and then right there is the exact same setup, except for the latch is slightly different. So this one you kind of go like that and then slide, and then down it goes like so. So you don't have to necessarily pull straight up. The implement for locking is right there in kind of one mechanism, so to speak. So there's nothing really down here. You could swivel this right down like that to force it, like really lock it. Let's say you had a big dog who is like running up against this thing, or you could put that little tab down to make sure that it actually goes in that direction. But overall, high quality. And, you know, there's one version, there's another version, whatever works for you. Hope this helps.